What's up, YouTube? Dazwa Beats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. All right, today what we doing? Here go a preview. Alright, so that's what we working on. We gonna give this out to Rod Wave, man. This beat right here is for Rod Wave. Let's go, let's get it. Pain music, alright? Let's go, let's get it, man. Let's go. Alright, let's copy that and move it up an octave. Shift stop, Control C, Control V. Let's hear what that sound like. If we move it up and we don't like it, then we'll move it down and hear what the sound like. If we don't like it, we'll just scratch it. Let's go. I like it. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna leave it off there for now. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, just working on my craft, man, making my music from scratch, doing my thing, man. Who let me know who you can hear on this. I think I hear Rod Wave on there. I'm gonna put that in my title. Let's go, man, let's get it. Rod Wave all the way, man. This drawing is pain. Alright, let's get it, let's go. As always, you know what I like to say, only when the beat drop. But before I go, if you haven't subscribed as yet, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Let's go, let's get it. Turn it up!